What's that, Arthur? What's that? What's that? What's that, Arthur? What's that, Arthur? It's a pigeons. Yeah?
Eldest, named after him, had been gunned down, and the man he believed had shot him.
What are you doing in my pillow, Arthur? This is my pillow.
Arthur Thompson and the crimes he committed will never be forgotten in the UK criminal underworld. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay safe.
Where is it? Where is it? Babe! What's that? What's that? Where is it? What's that, Arthur?
I took my first wave.
What's that, Arthur?
Got a scale. Generally all 7-Elevens have these scales. Would be knifed out later. Mr. Thompson spotted the setup and drove off at high speed with the police giving chase, chucking packets of heroin from the window as he dodged in and out of traffic. But with his son locked up and old Arthur's malign influence now waning,
What's
his
that sound,
control over
Arthur?
the Scottish underworld began spiraling. Other gangs and godfathers now began to unpick the Thompson empire. The old godfather had a very far reach in the criminal underworld and might still pose problems. So he had to be removed. 2 attempts were made to take him out. In 1985 he was shot in the groin outside the Ponderosa. He managed to drive himself to the private Ross Hall Hospital on the outskirts of the city, where he claimed